I work as a remote diagnosis expert by Digital EV Doctor. So in today's video, I'm going to explain about VHS. So in case if you have got any BMS alert, and for BMS alerts, there could be a couple of reasons. So one of reason could be VHS issue. So what is VHS? VHS stand for voltage sense harness. So you could see here voltage sense harness sense. And some of most common alert code are like 107, 177. You may get these two alert in most of cases in model S and X, which were produced in 2012 to 2020, or you may get alert BMS A129. Uh, in some of cases, you may get alert related to imbalance, and when we perform the diagnosis, after the diagnosis, it's possible that it could be the issue with voltage harness sense. So in such kind of situations, it's not needed to replace the battery with new one, which could cost you a couple of €1,000. So it's possible to repair the battery, which will be like affordable solution. So in case if you got any alert related to Tesla, please feel free to contact us. Here is our WhatsApp number, or you could download our digital EV doctor, and here you could find a lot of information about how to clear different Tesla alerts. So in case if you have got any BMS alert, please feel free to contact us. We will help you remote diagnosis and to clear such alerts. If you are a workshop person, you could also contact us. We will help you. We are looking forward to help you. Thank you so much.